B5.
Christina Mahoney has found her calling.
Arlene got a bingo.
It doesn't have much to do with calling bingo.
What you got, Arlene?
That's just a perk.
I should call bingo all the time. I told you everybody would win. My calling is nursing. My passion is long-term care.
A California native moved to Nebraska with her family at the age of 18.
And my mom and I started going to school together for nursing.
They both found a home, caring for seniors at Good Samaritan Society Bloomfield, where Christina would work her way up to become the director of nursing.
There's just something special about long-term care. I just love it so much, being with my residents, building that rapport with not only your resident, but their family.
Speaking of family,
Hi, Kylie. A lot of people know me because they know my sister.
Christina's younger brother, Anthony Arroyos, found his footing with Good Samaritan as a certified nursing assistant, a certification he achieved alongside his father, who later worked as a nurse at Sanford Health in Sioux Falls.
It was a really cool experience just to be able to have that family aspect in one building.
That's right, brother and sister working under one roof.
That was fun. It was a lot of fun. If we worked the same shifts, we would carpool.
It's my older sister, so at the end of the day, I'm still probably a pest, and I probably was even, I still am now for sure.
Along with their mother.
Mom is mom, right? You're going to call your mom mom no matter what setting you're in.
No, she was Joanne. When I worked, I was not her daughter. I was Nurse Christina. That's how it is.
When Good Sam has a whole family working for them, it says a lot. The fact that they all found their home at Good Sam is pretty amazing. I know Good Sam to me is so special and a company I see myself with forever.
During his time as director of social services in Bloomfield, Anthony's path shifted gears thanks to a search for a sticky note.
And I grabbed this white pad, and at the top of that white pad said Southeast Community College Long-Term Care Administration. And right there, I knew God was telling me, this is your sign. This is where you're supposed to go.
He is now participating in Good Samaritan's Administrator in Training program in Albion, just 90 minutes down the road.
Hello. The AIT experience has been great.
And that experience, along with Good Samaritan's faith-driven mission, has reinforced this family's devotion to caring for others.
Today's devotion comes from 1 Samuel chapter 16, verse 7. It's been amazing. There's so much to the administrator role that you don't realize, even though on a daily basis I was working with an administrator.
It's what healthcare should be. It's very person-centered. It's taking care of those when they're down, when they're vulnerable.
Care that comes with an abundance of sibling support.
Her strengths are all about relationship building. It's moments like that where I'm very proud to call her my big sister. I'm very proud to continue to watch her grow in her role.
He knows when to make you laugh and when to be your support. And seeing him interact with our residents and putting a smile on their face, and it's just like, God, he's such a great guy. To see him succeed is just amazing.
A passion that runs in the family.
People know me as the little brother.
With Good Samaritan and Sanford Health News.
I'll create my own path, and people know me for who I am.
I'm Justin Wolf.
But I have no problem, everyone knowing that that's my sister. That's my big sister.